If you want to remove the memory card from a Motorola Moto G56, then we need to take a look at the left side of the phone where we have our SIM tray. More precisely, we need to take a look at this hole that we have right next to the SIM tray, and we need to use the eject tool that is included inside the box in order to make the SIM tray pop out. Over here we have our memory card, so insert the eject tool into this hole and then use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray pop out. Now we need to use our fingernails in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. There we go. Be careful to not drop your SIM card or memory card and not lose it. Now over here you can just push it from the bottom like this with your finger, and the memory card is removed. Now we're gonna insert the SIM tray back into the phone. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.